Baking vocabulary. Cup, teaspoon, tablespoon, fractions, so 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, you would either palm in, back of your hand facing the person, 1/2, or you would have palm out, 1/2. You have to decide whether you want the palm out or you want the palm in. Both are correct, it's just dependent on the person to whom is signing, but to make sure that you don't twist, it's always 1/2 or 1/2. And then if you need to do a mixed fraction, so 1 and 1/2 or 1 and 1/2. Okay, notice the palm is out the whole time. Put the and between it. So if I needed 2 and 1/3 cups of flour, 2 and 1/3 cups flour, or the other way, 2 and 1/3 cups flour. Okay? Next slide. The sign for oven, you're going to turn it, open, and put inside. So you're going to take your dominant hand, bent V, turn one of the knobs, turn another knob, open the oven door, put your thing inside. The sign for stove is just turning the knobs to bent V, turn. Excuse me now. You make sure that you're here in the middle of your body, and so you turn, and then you move away from your body for the second turn. Okay? Mixing bowl is the sign for mix and bowl. If you want to talk about, how big or small the bowl is, you can show the size in the sign for bowl. Microwave, you draw the square and you wiggle your fingers in towards like the waves are going inside the microwave. Refrigerator, you're going to draw a longer rectangle this time, open the door, bird's cold. And in this instance, you're going to open the door as if you were to open, like you would open your fridge at home. Okay, so again, draw the long rectangle, open the door, bird's cold. Wooden spoon, you finger spell wooden, spoon. Pan, it's a P, it circles, and then it draws the handle of the pan. Cookie tray, you're going to draw the tray, and then you're going to plop down the cookie dough. Mix, and then icing, I-C-I-N-G, and then I've seen other people, once they've finger spelled it, they've shown, doing the icing. Grease, there's one of two ways to do this. If you're talking about greasing a pan, you're going to just show spraying the pan. Otherwise, grease is a G that comes off your non-dominant hand. Sprinkles, you need to be careful because this also means spices, so it just depends on the context of the sentence as to what you do. Stir, excuse me, I've got the bowl in this area and I'm stirring. Preheat is before heat. So I take my dominant hand, I'll turn so you can see it's behind and it pulls back toward me. Heat, preheat. And then timer. Okay, so you just tap your wrist or your watch area. So if I need to set a timer for 30 minutes, set timer. Okay? The sign for cook. Okay, I'm just taking my 5 and I'm pushing it back and forth on my non-dominant hand. Bake, it's a B, bake. The sign for freeze, you can do 2 ways. You can say ice, it's a water that freezes, or you can freeze. Cool, serve, enjoy. Okay, dominant hands on top, non-dominant's on bottom, and they circle, enjoy. And that is it for Baking Vocabulary Day 1.